Hey guys, just want to share with you my experience on this Enventor electric hammer drill. So I got this thing for about 2.5 years now. I purchased this when I was working on my fencing, and this thing helped me get my project done a lot faster. So let me go open this thing and show you what's inside. First is it comes with a really nice heavy duty carrying case, and you have a nice latch right here. And when you open it, you have your user manual. You have different bit sizes right here. And it also comes with this advanced lube. So this lube is actually going to be put right here, and this is already pre-lubed, so this is actually extra for you. And it comes with 2 attachments right here, so you can work on removing the posts of your concrete. So this is actually what I used when I was fixing my fence, and I was able to remove the concrete post, I think, in about 10-15 minutes. This thing also comes with 2 brush heads, so basically when the motor stops working, that means that your brush may have been burnt out. At that point, you just have to open this and replace the brush heads. I really like this handle right here because you can actually loosen it up and maneuver it to give you more leverage when you are working on your project, okay? And once you get the spot that you need, you can tighten it back up, and that is going to be secure. This thing comes with about 6-foot cord, and you have this tool to open your lube compartment. Overall, if you are an occasional DIYer or if you're a homeowner, I highly recommend getting something like this because this is gonna help you a lot with your project when you're drilling with concrete, with your stucco wall, or with removing the cement from your rotted concrete post. This is gonna help you a lot with working on your project. So for me, I have this thing for a while now. I basically use it twice. Once for my concrete project, and another time when I was running a wire to install an EV charger in my garage. You don't really need a fancy one or a known brand product. All you need is something that will actually work when you need it. You don't really need to invest in a cordless product because when you invest in cordless product, you want all your tools to be of the same brand so you can use the same battery. For an occasional use, corded product is actually the best.